Hi guys, it's Chi here. Today I'm going to share with you the story of my current city, the city of Kitchener Waterloo. This is Kitchener Waterloo. It's about 100 kilometers southwest of Toronto. It's predominantly German with a bit of that discipline culture, and you can't even turn right at the red light, not even for a cyclist. It's known as the Canadian Silicon Valley, with companies such as that one. This company started off here, and this company, who used to be great, is also based in here. The population is 300,000, with the majority of them being students and people who work at local tech companies. It's a great little city. It's smart, it's beautiful, and there's so many places to bike to, like all of this. I moved to the city 2 years ago from Toronto. After living in Toronto for more than 10 years, I wanted something different, something quiet. But it's a bit too quiet. And some stores, they close entirely for some periods of time. Iron Horse Trail closed June 26th to October 1st. From June to October are the only month that we don't have snow here in Canada. And the trails are closed. I wanted to learn more about repairing bikes, and I found this place called Recycle Cycles, where I get the opportunity to practice repairing bikes. I wanted to start my own company, so I started selling bicycles online, and so far I have made profits in every bicycle that I sold. Well, except for the first one, but my company is rather profitable. And all of this happened right here in Kitchener, Waterloo. And that's only part of it. If you're a student and you want to start your own company, you can go to a place in University of Waterloo called The Velocity and get lots of helps. And if you have an established company and you need some floor space, you can come here. While you're living in the city, it's so hard to appreciate your surroundings because you're always on the go. You're always busy with people and things as a way to keeping up with the pace. And here, I get to master my own skills. I get to improve myself in a way. And so far, it's been fun.